Here we have a problem which is exponential. You can see by the curve of the graph that we have an exponential problem. If you want to remember, exponential problems are the ones that have y equals a d to the x. The a is my starting amount, um, and the d is my multiplier. Better term for d is my common ratio or common factor. Now here I have one that is clearly to the x. I got 506,975. This is my population. It's measured in millions. So here you can see I am starting off at about 500,000, halfway in between 1 million and 0. What I want to talk about this is actually a question about domain, but let's talk about domain and range. Range is how tall something is. So it's all about my height, and domain is all about how fat something is. So it's talking about my width. If you want to look at this, we can track the domain. That domain, of course, is going to be measured in x, and range would be measured with y. So if you go look at your shape, the highest x value is this 10, and the lowest x value is the 0. So my domain would be 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 10. And now let's check the range. I'll use blue for this. Range, I'm going to go, again, my highest spot up here. That would be 18. And then my lowest spot would be this number where I started, which is, I would say, 0.5. So I'd say 0.5 million. So I'd start with 0.5 is less than y is less than 18.